So if you want to hide your cash on delivery option for international orders, so today in this video, I will show you a step-by-step guide how you can do it very easily. So before starting the video, if you are new here in this channel, then please subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. So let's begin. So for this, I am using this application from the Shopify App Store. You can easily download it from here. Also, I am giving the link in the description. You can check it out from there. I am also giving the link of this application in the description. You can download it. So after installing that, go here, create payment rules. Then give a title like hide COD for international orders. After that, add a new condition. Select the condition country, operator, not in the list, putting the value India. So my home country is India and I want to block the COD for all international orders. So that's why I choose not in the list and putting the value India. It means that except of India, for all the countries, the cash on delivery option will be unavailable. After that, add a new action. Select the action hide payment method and in the payment method name, type COD, means cash on delivery. Then activate the status and save this. So let's check it on the online store. If I select any product and if I put the country India and if I put another foreign country like Australia and if I put a random address, then you can see there is no option of cash on delivery. But if I choose our home country India and if I put the address, then you can see the cash on delivery option is available. So in this way, you can do it very easily. If you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe. If you have any question in your mind, then please let me know in the comment section. So that's for all today. I will see you in the next one. Bye.